All right, y'all. So Cheryl got to take some product photos. So Cheryl got to clean up this mess. So while I'm waiting on my food, I said, well, Cheryl, why don't you take them with you? Because people like to see, what is this content? I shouldn't have sprayed nothing on here first. Told you I'd be messing up. Y'all see how the sugar just coming on. Come on, sugar. Come on, sugar. So this is my board. Look what I did. Girl gone. So now I got to get all this sugar up off this table. Most of the time I use Windex with ammonia because I use a lot of glass. So now what you doing? I'm cleaning up my mess. And I'm going to spray it one more again. I use Windex. Windex helped me out a lot because I use a lot of glass. And this is a 3-piece. You know, if you see it fall, just overlook it. Because y'all know I be see it's about to fall. I don't know where that cord at. But we ain't worried about that cord. We worried about getting this sugar from back here. So all I do is stage it. So I'm staging it right now. So I'm cleaning up from when I was doing the class with y'all. So now I'm just getting the nitty gritty of it and getting everything off so it could be nice and clean, right? Oh, man, I don't paper towels over here. I usually keep paper towels on me for this reason. So now she's staging it because I'm dropping a Christmas line, or Christian line, Christian Christmas. So I got bigger jars because I'm on different platforms. So I'm gonna use this. Let's see. So I got to still wipe this off. So when y'all scrolling, Cheryl be doing stuff. So I'm gonna kill time. Now after this, I probably ain't doing too much of nothing. I do have a few orders to ship out. I'll ship them out tomorrow. That's a good thing about having stuff. So let's see. Is this my good phone? No, it ain't my good phone. I have. As long as our phone keep coming out with phones, Cheryl gonna upgrade them. I'm just gonna tell you, Cheryl gonna upgrade them because the camera get better and better. Now my war room, I ain't too crazy about it. So, but I love the label. But I love my label. I love it. Favor, hush, my food ain't out there, is it? No. So I need some decor. So I'm gonna put this to hide this over here. Put my bless back up here because we hide some of these lines, right? And then I usually will put this bling thing. We're not gonna use you. Let's see, do we still want to use fall? Oh, it's fallish. We can still throw these in here. I'll lay them down. I ain't no camera person, and I'm not no staging person, but I be trying to fake it. I'm telling you, I just be trying to hide stuff. This is just a corner, because I told you, my living room is my business. My dining room is my living room. I took the 2 couches out, gave my daughter another couch. My kitchen is my factory. Part of here is over here, the factory. But I have a big 5-bedroom house. Do I want to get a... No, I don't want to do a location. Because I don't know what I want to do when my son graduates. That's the whole thing. So I'm just making sure. I didn't like one of these. See how this label had a line in it. So because it does, I'm just flipping it over. Probably instead of pulling it up and trying to do it over. So now what I'm going to do is make sure it's clean at the top. Sometimes I'll have my heat gun close to me because sometimes the tops look better with the heat gun. And what you're going to see me do is going to be turned towards me because I'm over here. Shut up, over here. This is where I'm at. So I'm looking at it from here. You got it? So what I'm going to do is I use, let me show you how I do the phone. Let's see. My camera. Good googly muggly. Let's see. I go to photos, right? I'll do photos. I put my light on, turn it on. And then I'll take it. Here come my food. Y'all finna hear this dog bark. I'm taking my blinds and it said give a moment. See? Told you. Y'all thought I was playing. I'm ordering food. It said give a... So y'all gonna hear the dog bark, but I still got to take these pictures. So I heat it up in the microwave. It's probably ain't hot no how. So what I'm doing... Let me see if I can show you how Cheryl doing it. So what I'm doing is squatting down. When I tell people I need it at eye level, I want it at eye level. I'm going to edit out. Let me show you. So I click edit. I need to turn it around because my room is over this way. Y'all going to hear the dog. Don't pay the dog no attention. So Cheryl edits. This is how she does her videos. I mean her photos. I probably would take that orange out because it's conflicting with my pink. But this is how I would do it. I'm going to take that orange out. Then I hit War Room. I hit Vivid. And I slide Vivid across. That gives me a bright picture. Voila. You got it? That's how I take my photos. Since this orange is contradicting with my stuff. Oh, orange, you got to go. Did they not bring my food? Did it seem like... Hold up, y'all. My alarm off. Hold up, y'all. I got to turn this alarm off. Where my alarm head is. Favor, hush. Because they sure throw my food out here if they did. Favor come through. You know Favor be coming through. Let me just put this home stuff. Hold up, y'all. I didn't expect my food to come this quick. Never come this quick. I'm doing is walking around my house now looking for what can I use that's kind of reddish or pinkish. Really nothing. I don't think I had no pink decor. If I'd have had a pink pumpkin, oh, that would have been right on time. Do I have any red flowers? Probably upstairs I have some burgundy ones. Because I'll hit Hobby Lobby every so often, but we're not going to let that monkey stop no show. Lord Jesus, please don't let this hit the floor. So what I'm gonna do is hit the floor. Told you it's gonna hit the floor. I don't know how to snap them things in. Told you I'm no photographer. See my Christmas lights that fell? I have Christmas lights up there too. Y'all know I'm extra. Y'all know I'm extra. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but hey, we gonna do what it do, baby. Where the lights at? Trying to catch it on this nail. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some funk in it. All right. Okay. So what I'm doing is just creating something to blow this out. So I need to turn this around just a little bit towards me. Where's my phone? Sure, where your phone at, girl? I don't know. So I can get my other phone to take these photos. So, who texts me? Let me see who texts me. Michael's. Okay. So now, all I'm doing is squatting down. I want it more to this way. Into the light, Carolyn. Don't go into the light. So sometimes I will zoom in like this, but I don't. Let me see if I can put y'all in front of me so y'all can see what I see. So I'm taking my picture. Make sure my light's on. Is it on? Okay, flash is on. So what I do is try to squat down and make it eye level. I'm not worried about too much of stuff. I'm not no photographer, y'all. And then I'll hold it. And this is how I do my videos. See how the light's still on iPhone. I don't know nothing about Androids. Don't ask me. And I'm just showing them how it is, and that's a video. Then I will take it and do it in portrait. Well, with portrait, heck, you got to back it up. It say move further away. So with portrait, I'm further away. I'm behind y'all now. And that's pretty much it. So I got to do the others. Let me do my photo. Let me leave it on photo, because I could see photo better. Make sure my light on. Yeah, it's on. And I just line it up because I want it eye level. Get in so you can see the whole prayer Jabez. I don't like that label, but hey. See the label on the back? Is that my prayer Jabez? Yeah. Now these are my candles because I'm still testing. So let's see. With this one, I don't care for the top, but you probably can't see the top. But if you did, please don't knock that over, Cheryl. But if you did, I thought it was plugged up. Okay, I didn't push it in. I would just take and hit it with the heat gun to make sure the top was clean in case I do. They not gonna know if it's wet or not. They just know it's clean and straight across. You know how you pour them, trim the wick, and carry on? Well, that's what Cheryl did. And Cheryl's selling point is these burn for hours and hours and hours. So I'm just cleaning up around here. Making sure it's clean in the front. And I'm going around just to make sure it's clean. This is why I tell y'all, yeah. I'm trying to play with y'all. Y'all be playing. Y'all be scrolling. Cheryl be doing stuff. So Cheryl, what you gonna do? I'm finna take some pictures, boo. And then I'll crop it how I want it. I just wanted it at eye level so they could see it. Who else I ain't did? So mine are Christian. Remember I told y'all, I said I got the hair. They probably not going to be sold with this in here. I'm just extra. See my Psalms 91? I didn't like that Psalms 91, so I changed it. Usually when I take photos, it'll be just two cameras with one on the back. I mean, two candles with two labels on it like this. But in order to stay with the color theme, I wanted to move this Psalms 91 to here, and you see more emphasis on the cross. That's just how Cheryl do. So, I told y'all I tried to get away from Christian candles. I promise you I did. So all I do is take it. Then I put my little cross on it. I don't know about the cross on there as a Christian. You know what I mean? I be thinking it's like burning a cross, but I've seen people do it. I'll wait till I receive feedback. Y'all tell me what y'all think about burning a cross on a candle. Oh, it's a wax melt. Well, we gonna see. Jesus know it's for his presentation. Then I got Psalms 91. I declare. So, wait, I'm recording it. Wait a minute, photo. Where you at? Where my lights at? Okay, so I'm dropping it down so I can see it at eye level. Only ones that'll probably have wood wicks are the ones with the prayers. What I picked up. I did a prayer Jabez. Did I do the prayer? Yeah, I did the prayer Jabez. I feel like I'm missing. Oh, here it is. And then this one, I declare. So when I do it, that wood wick ugly. So when I do it, I'll probably have it already lit. Just to make sure my sides are clean. You know how sometimes it dries, because these have been sitting for maybe about 3 or 4 days. So all I'm doing is taking photos for my website for content. And then I could just do like this and show it like this. And y'all will see me show like this. And I turn on the light. Now let's see. So this one right here. The cross is in there. Okay, because I was like, what is this right here? Let me move it up so I can actually talk to y'all. Okay, so I'm going to edit photo for those who just came on. I'm going to crop it. What you mean, Cheryl? I'm finna crop it. I'm finna crop all this stuff up out of here. I crop it to where I want it to be. Let's crop it just a little. That's good. Move that to the side. And then I don't know what this circle is, but I hit that circle. Bring it bright and drag it over here to take some of the brightness out. I declare God will do exceedingly abundantly above all that we can ask or think because we honor him. His blessings will chase us down and overtake us. We will be at the right place at the right time. People will go out of their way to be good to us. We are surrounded by God's favor. This is my declaration over all of us in this group. And that's how I do it. That's how I'm going to promote it as well. This right here, Steve Harvey said it. It came from Joel Osteen's book, Ephesians 3:20. That's it. And that's how I edit my videos. Bam. Tell me that ain't cute. Tell me that ain't cute. Tell me that ain't cute. These are 16 ounces. So my selling point is doubling the burn time. My selling point is doubling the burn time. So I would just take it and crop it again to where I want it to be. Did I hit crop? Where you going? Cropping thing? Oh, there you go. So I don't have a fancy camera like most people. I don't be doing all that. I think you can, if you avoid looking for excuses of why you can't do it and just do it. Now I'm toning that down. The emphasis is the cross in the background. Psalms 91. Psalms 91. Okay. 23rd Psalms. I don't think that's my 23rd Psalms. I think that's my 23rd Psalms. But my war room ain't to be played with. And then I'm going to do one. When they go low, I go to God. That's going to be it. All right, y'all. Let me see. And that's what I just took pictures of. And I'll heart it so I can know. And I'll keep it as heart. So when I get ready to post, I can show it. That ain't my Psalms 21. I know. I mean my 23rd. I got another 23rd Psalms around here. Prayer. I don't know. Maybe that's it. But I thought I made them like I made them all the same color, if that makes sense. Psalms 23. War room, you ain't got no business in there. And it's another one. So this will be a 5 candle prayer at your beds. Psalms 91, the Lord's Prayer. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Y'all know it. We supposed to know it as little kids. Maybe that pink one just gonna stay there. I don't know. Let me look on the back. It ain't that one. It ain't that one. It ain't that one. But usually if I was taking pictures and I wasn't trying to show it as a whole set, or if I was going to sell it, like I could sell this as a 5-bundle deal. All 5 of these candles together. Because somebody we needed little Jesus. And sell that as a candle deal. Now this cross probably ain't going to be on there. I don't know. I had to pray on this cross because I feel some type of way about burning crosses. So I don't know. You know. Y'all help me out with that one. And that's just it. And I would just take a picture of all of those together or on the shelf. But this would be content right here.